In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup PlanSwift files. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to select where you want your backup folder to be. So you want to open up your File Explorer on your computer. And as you can see over here, I actually just went into my Downloads folder and I created a backup folder in here. Of course, you can do this anywhere you want, like on a different drive or something. You could, of course, do it however you want. Now, you want to, of course, right-click and then New over here. And then you want to click on Folder and you can name it whatever you want. I named it Backup. Now, currently, it's empty and you're going to see how it's going to change in a few seconds. So then after you've done that, you want to go inside the PlanSwift and you want to go to the Settings tab up top. And here under Data Storage, you want to click on New. Now over here, of course, you can name the folder. I'm just going to name it Backup. There we go. Of course, completely up to you, whatever you want to do here. And then you can select one of these colors. I'm just going to select like sky blue here, and then the folder as well. So I'm going to click on those three dots, and then you have to basically find the folder we just created. I have to go into Downloads, Backup, and there we go. When I click on it, it's going to select it. Click OK, and then after that, click on Finish. Now, after you've done that, as you can see over here, you now have the backup folder, and immediately you will see that if you open it up here, there's a bunch of things in there, like jobs over here, and then templates and stuff like that. Now, I'm going to move this away again. There we go. And you want to go to the Home tab, and to actually do backups, you'll have to back up each plan basically to do that. So you want to go up here, and you want to click on Open on the Home tab. And from here, as you can see, you can select one of these plans. For example, I have a tutorial plan. I can click on it and I can click on Copy To, and then I can click on Backup over here, and it's basically going to create a copy inside my backup folder. So if I actually go and show you how this looks like over here in my monitor, as you can see, I pull this up, I can go to Backup, and then in here inside Jobs, I now have this tutorial. Now, if I were to, for example, copy this 3 over here as well, I can go Copy To, Backup, and it's going to do it. And in here, as you can see, there's now the 3 as well. So that's basically how we can do backups. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.